Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from YouthBuddy. Dear students, job seekers, creators, and all the young sharp minds tuning in. If you are someone who needs to quickly combine your photo with a neat signature for applications, forms, resumes, or online submissions, this is especially for you. Let's be honest for a moment. How many times have you struggled to upload a proper signed document online? You have your photo ready. You sign on paper. Then you try to scan it, crop it, adjust it, and somehow combine everything into one file. And in the end, the signature looks messy, the photo is misplaced, or the file size becomes too big. Sometimes you even download apps, install heavy software, or spend hours just trying to make one simple file. Sounds familiar, right? Don't worry, we've got a super simple solution for you: Photo and Signature Pad Sign Mixer tool from YouthBuddy. And it's completely free. And the best part? You don't need any technical skills to use it. Let me explain how simple it is. First, you upload your photo directly into the tool. It instantly appears on the screen, no waiting, no confusion. Next, if you want, you can type your name as a label. This is optional, but it's very helpful when you are submitting official documents or forms. Then, you simply sign using your finger, mouse, or stylus directly on the screen. It feels just like signing on paper, smooth and easy. And if you make a mistake? No problem at all. You can just clear the signature and redo it instantly. After that, you can adjust things like pen thickness and signature size. So whether you want a bold signature or a neat, thin one, you are in full control. Finally, you get a live preview of your final output. This means you can see exactly how your photo, name, and signature will look before downloading. And once everything looks perfect, just click Download PNG. That's it. Your combined file is ready to use. No complicated steps. No editing software. No stress. Now let's talk about what makes this tool really special. First, real-time updates. Every change you make is instantly visible. No waiting, no refreshing. Second, super easy interface. Even if you are using it for the first time, you'll understand everything within seconds. Third, autosave and privacy. Your photo and signature are stored only in your browser. That means your data stays safe with you. Nothing is uploaded anywhere. Fourth, flexibility. You can customize your signature, adjust size, and preview everything before finalizing. And here's the best part: it works perfectly on both mobile and desktop. So whether you are using your phone or laptop, you can create your file anytime, anywhere. Now let's look at how this tool helps you in real life. For students, you often need signed documents for exams, internships, or college submissions. This tool saves your time and avoids last-minute panic. For job seekers, when applying for jobs, many portals ask for signed documents. With this tool, you can create clean and professional files instantly. For creators and freelancers, if you need to sign contracts or send documents, this tool makes your workflow faster and smoother. And for everyday use, whether it's forms, applications, or personal documents, you now have a quick and reliable solution. No confusion. No unnecessary downloads. No technical headache. Just simple, fast, and effective. Remember this: small tools can create a big impact when used smartly. And this is one of those tools. So next time you need to combine your photo and signature, don't waste your time searching for complicated methods. Just use this simple solution and get it done in seconds. Stay tuned for more useful info. For this tool, click the link in description or explore it directly under the Apply tools in the education section on the YouthBuddy website. Yours, Gayatri from YouthBuddy, signing off.